Don't cry in front of the camera.
It wasn't that bad.
This one's typhoid.
1, 2, 3. That one goes a little deeper.
Yeah, it did. Sure did.
That was a big one.
Glad on that. Okay.
I'm relaxed.
1, 2, 3. Relax as your boyfriend says.
Ooh-wee.
Nope. Yeah, that was great.
Smile.
Ready?
Ow, ow.
Yellow fever. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you.
1, 2, 3. This one goes deep. Okay. I want to push it slow. Does that hurt?
No.
What?
When she was little, just say, you like my kickles? Your lips are a little pale.
Yeah.
You need some crackers? Got some sugar
Feeling
in
it.
it. Okay, yeah, have a seat then.
Okay.
Don't pass out on me.
No.
I'll get you a juice. I'll be right back
Juice
for
break.
your last one. Bless his heart right here. Don't let him
I
fall
won't.
out of his chair.
Oh. Deep breaths. You're good.
I'm so hot right now.
You are.
1, 2, 3, 4, clap your hands. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, clap your hands.
So first time getting the stuff in the actual bag. We have way too much.
It's fine.
That's all there is. And she's got all this stuff.
It's fine.
Yeah. I haven't done mine yet, but we're gonna see.
We'll see.
Trial number 1.
One, two, three, four, clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, clap your hands.
You gotta open them, baby. Okay, so our alarm just went off. It's like 4:45. Yeah, we gotta make it to the airport and be on the plane by 10. So we're leaving a little early just to be safe because we gotta get through a bunch of crazy stuff. You go to bed first. Basically, everything is ready with our bags. We pre-packed everything. We just gotta get up and actually get it all together finally and get going. So we'll be on our way.
1, 2, 3, 4, clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, clap your hands.
Letters from my friend before we leave. Sarah said, take care of my girl or I'll kill you. That's my letter. That's all I got. Thanks, Sarah.
love it.
That's sweet. So our flight just got called to Florida, so we're officially gonna be like taking off for the trip in a minute. Oh yeah. So see you in a minute.
Clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, clap your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, clap your hands.
All right, so we made it to Florida. Little tiny airport. We gotta wait like 4 hours until we get on our final flight till Peru. Until then, I think I'm just gonna chill in this little baby rocking chair.
It's our final flight.
Getting on the plane right now.
Yay!
Lima in 6 hours.
6 hours. That's it.
Out of the country.
Woohoo!
All right, about to take off.